The Newhouse School programs build on a legacy of excellence. We've been around for more than 6 decades, perfecting the hands-on experience combined with the in-classroom opportunities that ensure you a level of success once you graduate. Multimedia photography and design, Bandier music business, and television, radio, and film. These are all top-tier programs recognized nationally. If leading within the music industry is what you're after, our Bandier program is the right fit for you. One of the things that makes the Bandier program so special is we do this in collaboration with the College of Visual and Performing Arts. So you really get 2 schools coming together to ensure the best experience for our students. A big part of our Bandier Master's program is a semester in Los Angeles, where you interact with top industry executives as well as professors who are tapped in to where the opportunities lie today. Multimedia photography and design is another truly unique program we have here within the Newhouse School. You can decide exactly where you want to point your education. It might be in design, it might be in photography, it might be in a level of cinematography. There are so many ways in which we bring visual storytelling to life. Our television, radio, and film program is consistently ranked among the very best by both Hollywood Reporter and Variety. You get access to our amazing facilities and equipment, and you really get into the idea of film production as well as other areas of entertainment that are so popular today.
I was able to go to Newhouse and really hone in on my creative eye and just see a different route for taking business. I really got to focus on combining my love not only for sales and people and marketing, but also get involved with this entertainment and digital world that we all live in and consume now on the daily basis. I'm just so excited that I had Newhouse to really guide me into the career that I love.
We have a long list of opportunities for our sports students, producing documentaries and programs for the ACC networks on ESPN. We want to make sure that you're prepared for a rapidly changing industry. We talk about things and prepare you for areas of the industry that are going to be evolving in the years ahead. We're talking about the creator economy, entrepreneurship, artificial intelligence. These are ways in which we can ensure that you interact with the industry today and also get exposed to our outstanding group of Newhouse alums who are standing by to give you the advice you need.
I will say 90% of the meetings I was able to land was because they were Newhouse alum and I was a Newhouse alum. They automatically took my meeting, they got coffee with me and just shared as much knowledge as they possibly could, and then were willing to pitch my name to other contacts they have in the entertainment industry. It's really a lot about who you know and who's going to give you that first break, and having the Newhouse network to back you is just a huge leg up that you're going to have.
So if you're ready to find success in visual communications and entertainment, the Newhouse School is the right place for you.